first of I introduce my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel crypto and travel. If you want to information any crypto related and travel, please stay with me and keep watching my video. Today I show you how to earning from online. So please stay with me. This is the first of I introduce about this site. The site name is AI mining. It's a new mining site. Only uh, 3 weeks running, so you can easily mining this site, and it will be stay in long time. So don't miss out and keep mining this site. How to join this I will show you. So first of you come to my video video link description, then you click this site link, so you can easily come to this site. Okay, when you click this option, you come to this position. So here is some detail your account. So first of you type your username. Okay, no space allowed, and 6 to 16 characters must be. Okay, one only one password here, please remember it. And also you get your information, your email address, then you register it. Okay, now I go complete this section. Okay, now I complete this all information. Now click this registration, and my registration is complete. Okay, you got this information. Some registration is after registration correct. Please you can download this your app. You must be use this app. Okay, and first off, if you use not any reference, you could not open this account. Okay, how? Here is your home account. Okay, is all information is show you. When you some invite any friend, then you click this and get some wheel. Okay, it's big opportunity. This call is lucky chest. Okay, so when you invite any member, you got this this option. It's simple tax available here. Must be go to this quantify, and it's a good benefit from this side. Some here is a some information to you how to package available here. So when you join this site, you got this USDT bonus. Its total balance is show you 5,510 USDT, and also smart account 510 USDT bonus free. Flexible one, when you complete their tax, then your some profit benefit from this site. Okay, how to investment package. Here is show here. Here is a reward. One invite, you get this. If any invited person 11 USDT bonus from this site, and another reward, if you invited accumulatively 5 person, you get 11 USDT bonus. Okay, only one time. Okay, only one time you get. And when you get this, you click this option, you lucky wheel. Okay, so when I receive this any invitation by you, then I will show you. Okay, now here is a show here how many packages: VIP 1, VIP 3, VIP 4, VIP 5, and VIP 6. So it's a big amount. If you want to more and more, take more risks, please safely collect this packages. Okay, there's a rate of return 3% to 3.31%, which is the amount is 21 USD to 500 USD. So how to use this? So please click this option. Okay, so first off, you need to 10 USDT dollar, otherwise you can earning from this side. First off, you deposit only 10 USDT dollar. Okay, so how to deposit them? Click this option, some below down, click this option, deposit option. Okay, here is a transaction smart account and also your wallet account. First, you click this option. Okay, has a choose any type. So first of you click this TRC20 and go to this copy now and go to your wallet. Okay, so it's very simple process. I show you, and click this option, submit successfully. Okay, it will be completed. Okay, after you complete this deposit option, you come to this option. Okay, start to quantify. If your VAT is 0, then it will be one tax. Okay, so it will be processing. After you go to 21 VIP package buy, complete this, then it will be two times you quantify. Okay, and here is show you their rate, so don't miss out. Have you any get any information, please go to their tax center. Okay, you call him, and I think it will be easy. They also communication with you. Okay, so every day you will come this your mining time. Okay, when it will be completed. Okay, my quantify is completed now, and now I go to my home. Yes, and I also receive 0.23 USDT dollar bonus. So it's easy, only for free mining 8%. Okay, so don't miss out. As your all in earning balance is my total show you total revenue, and if you want to withdraw, go to this option and daily one USDT withdraw from this side. Minimum 1 USDT is needed to, and how to withdraw from this? Choose your account, amount needed, then also type your wallet address. Okay, so please click this wallet option and password. 2 times your password type, and also continue. So it's very easy process. That's the end of video. What's your comment of this site? Please type in my video description. So no more today. Pray for me. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.